Hello, I am Nazmul Islam and this is my task 1 of Code Alpha Python internship program. I have made a game for this task where you have to guess a letter from a specific word. The word is randomly selected by the computer. If you can guess the all letters of that word, then you will be win. But if you fail to guess the all letters of that word, then you will be lost. So let's run the program and check it out how it works. Run this and we see here a command line interface where the game welcoming me, welcome to HangMan, and the word field which is blank because I haven't guessed any letter yet. Then the incorrect guesses, and this field is also blank because I haven't guessed any letter which is incorrect. And then the remaining attempts, which is 6 by default. That means I can guess for 6 times. If I fail to guess the correct letter between 6 times, I will be lost. Okay, then the guess a letter field where I have to keep the letter. For example, I push P for guessing the letter of that word. Let's enter, and it says that good guess, P is in the word. That means P is actually the letter of that word which is selected by the computer. So let's guess the another letter which is O and enter, and it say also this, it also the good guess and O is in the letter, and it also shows me the position of the letter on that word. So let's guess another letter such as W, and it says sorry, W is not in the word. That means my guess was wrong and my remaining attempts now is 5. That means I have lost one attempt for my wrong guess. Okay, let's guess another one, M, and enter. It also says that my guess is good, and if I enter another, it says that sorry, Z is not in the word. And if I guess another word such as R, okay, it says the good guess, R is in the word. And let's guess another one, and it is now already clear that the word is program, so the remaining letter is A. So let's enter it, and it says me the congratulations, you have guessed the word program. And this is the game which is called HangMan game. I have implemented this. If my guess is wrong for 6 times or more than that, then I will be lost. So let's run the program again, and here let's guess what U, and it says sorry, U is not in the word. And let's guess I, and it says I is not in the word. My attempts is now remaining for 2 times. So let's guess a wrong one, W again. It says sorry, W is not in the word, and my remaining attempts is now 1. If I guess another wrong letter, Q, and it says the game over, the word was developer. And that's it. It is very simple game, but I have tried it to make more funny and more interactive. So thank you for seeing my project. You can see it on my GitHub account. I have shared the repository link